program on strings. Are we clear? So how to create a string? We know already. String is a character array which will accept the characters, and the string will always terminate by. Now let us take an example of how to accept the string, and we'll try to write at least one or two operations on strings with system defined and user defined functions. Always when you use strings, try to add hash include string.h. Hash include string.h. Okay. Now let us write char name of. We are creating an array of size 25. Okay. And we are giving directly. Okay. Now let us printf enter string value. Are we clear? So enter the string value, and we are accepting using get as name. And we already know always name of the string indicates starting address. Name of the string indicates means what? Starting address. That's why we are not giving ampersand when we are writing accepting the strings. We will not write ampersand. Okay, you can also use using scanf. You can accept the string using percentile. Yes. Now we can display the string using puts or else printf. Both are okay. We want to demonstrate percentile s. That's why we are giving here percentile s name. So which will display the output. Are we clear? And also we want to print the number of characters there in the name, which is okay. So length of name is equal to percentage d, and we are able to call a system defined function called as string length, which is available in the string.h. Now let us save this program, string1.c, and let us compile and run. Now enter a string. Okay, so we are entering mvsrec. Okay, ip3 ec2. So this is a string what I have entered. Okay, and the name what I have displayed, and the length of the string is 14. Are we clear? So this is about how to create, accept the string, how to create a string, and how to display the string. So we are creating a string using character data type array of characters terminated with null character, and we have some special methods for accepting a string and displaying a string, which are getters and putters. Okay, and a special format specifier is used for strings, which is percentile. Yes. Are we clear? And important point was what? The name of the string indicates starting address. That's why we will not mention ampersand in the scanf or else in the get. Directly name indicates starting address. So array structures, strings, all internally are pointers. The name of names are the pointers. Now let us write one simple example here. This is printing the, now we want to reverse the string. We want to reverse the string, or we want to copy the string. So almost all the operations, string operations, are covered in string.h, which is length of the string is strlen, which will display the length of the string. Length of the string. Similarly, strcpy, which is copy the string from one string to another string. Copy the string. Then strcat, which is to concatenate the strings. Okay. Then strupr for upper display in uppercase, and strlwr, which is lowercase. Lowercase, and strrev, which will reverse the string. Are we clear? Now these are the string operations, and the most important point is add string.h, which will be header file where all the string operations are present. Now let us do one simple program. I want to check whether a palindrome or not. String is string palindrome. So what is a palindrome string? Reverse of a string. Reverse is same as original. That is palindrome. So how to check whether string is palindrome or not? We can check two things. Okay, so what is an example for palindrome? Assume that the palindrome string madam. If you reverse the string also, you'll get the same words. Example, Malayalam. Malayalam. Are we clear? So these strings are palindromes. If you reverse the strings also, both are same. So let us check how to check palindrome using a. So first let us demonstrate first the length using user-defined function once, so that we can do one more function also. So first let me check. Okay. So we are writing one function palindrome. Okay. So void palindrome. Okay. And what will be passed as a parameter? Char star. Yes. So name of the string is passed as a parameter. And here we are checking check palindrome. Okay. So here we are checking check palindrome. So we quickly finish it fast so that we are like out of time. Okay, we will try to finish it in 5 minutes, please, so that you will have a lunch break. Void check palindrome char star yes. So the string is passed. What you have to do is you have to compare the first character of the first string should be compared with last character of the string. Second character of the string should be compared with last but one. Third character should be character with last but two. Like that, we have to compare. So simply what you write is for. So we need a length first. As we know, we need a length first. So we need a temporary variable. Length is equal to strlen. Are we clear? And we are passing the string. So it will calculate what length of the string. Get length of string, because we want to declare I is equal to 0, comma, j is equal to length minus 1. Are we clear? Now what we are doing, we are comparing I and j. Okay, so we can write a while loop here. While I less than or equals to j. So what we need to compare? If, okay, if, okay, s of I, if it is equals to, if it is equals to s of j. S of I, if it is equals to S of j, then what? The first character and second character both are equal. If they are not equal, we have to break. So if they are not equal, what you have to do? We have to break. Clear? So until I and j are equal, we will repeat. So once you come out of the loop, if we can check if I greater than j, then what? Printf palindrome. Okay. Else printf not a palindrome. Okay. So what you are comparing also you can check. Be clear? Now let us compile this program and let us run this program. Okay, and let us call this function. And so this is a function prototype, this is a function call, and this is a function definition. Just give this. Okay. Now let us compile. Anything error? So int length is equal to string length, int I is equal to 0, j is equal to length minus 1, while I less than or equal to j. Oh, we have to do I plus plus and j plus plus, otherwise, okay, I plus plus and j plus plus. Don't forget to increment and decrement. So I think spelling, check palindrome. Okay, and because the name of the function call, function prototype should be same. Now, success. Okay, so make sure that the name of the call, prototype, and definition must be same. So if I enter madam, the madam should be a palindrome. So actually, madam is a palindrome. You have to check whether this condition is okay. If you exceed, then it is a palindrome. Otherwise, not a palindrome. You have to check the condition properly. So when you will come out of the loop, when this condition is true, if you come in between loop, then it is not a palindrome. Okay. So m equal to what is the condition you have to check. So let me check this code and we will execute like this. So all the string operations are available in string.h. Only thing we have to check whether code is correct or not. So please check it whether we are trying to check to it what palindrome, whether string is palindrome or not. So we are comparing the, assume that we have got a string. So first let me print here, printf. So whether this function is working or not, let us check. So always whenever you get a debugging, you have to done like very easily you can do it. Just compile the
Excuse me,
code.
sir.
Yes, ma, Chapani?
So in line 25,
Yeah.
it should be J minus minus, sir.
Yeah, very good, ma, very good. Exactly. That is the code we have to write, of course. So first let me check it. Very good, ma. The small thing. Because I should be incremented and J should be decremented. Very good, student. Okay, so let me check whether here we will check print here. So first let me check whether the function is getting called or not. Hello and hello. That is correct. So always the very small mistakes we can, there is a possibility. Okay. So I should be pointing to, so I is pointing to 0, whereas J is pointing to, J is pointing to length of the string. Okay. So length minus 1. So when I should be incremented like this, J should be decremented. Are we clear? So J should be decremented. If at all your string length is 5, it should be decremented like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like this. So until they meet each other, let us run the code. Okay, so that's why I should be incremented and J should be decremented. Very good, ma. You are observing the code nicely. Okay, so enter Malayalam. We are checking the length of the string is Malayalam and string is a palindrome. So you can also check what is getting compared also. Okay, so by writing a simple printf comparing a of, okay, so s of percentage d equals to s of percentage d. Are we clear? Comma I comma j. That is nothing but that is okay. So what we are checking is s of I comma s of j, that is percentage c double equal to percentage C. So using this simple statement, you can show what is happening also in the output. This is only to scanning people. This code is not required. Okay. So let us check whether it is how it is getting checked. Just a moment. We are having a new line. Okay. And also get ch we want to write so that we want to check which string is compared with which string. You know, please observe the output here. Assume that you have entered Malayalam. The length of the string is what? 9, of course. So the name is Malayalam, the length is 9. So you are comparing S of 0 with S of 8. So you should never compare yum and null. So you should always compare with yum and yum. So the so what is happening also you can check. So this is nothing but j minus minus and you are comparing. Clear? So this printf you have to do some little bit modifications, but ultimately this is a code for to write string palindrome. So you like this, you can write length, copy, concat, and all those operations also. So very good people. We have demonstrated one string accept display and palindrome code. Okay. So try to type the code live and try to check it. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a lunch and continue with the next sessions. And any doubts, please let me know. And I'm uploading all the lectures what we have teaching and in individual doubts into the YouTube channel. Okay, so we have uploaded so many lectures into my channel. Please go through once so that. So let me open my channel. So you can type in a YouTube Ranjit teaching, where you will get all the lectures what we have done so far. So you will find almost all the questions. People, whoever is asking the questions, we are uploading. So you please check all the programs what we have uploaded, and please message me which program you want. We will try to upload in the posts. Okay. So please utilize this service of listening video lectures. Okay. So that every day I'm trying to upload at least 2 to 3 videos, maximum 5 or minimum 2 to 3 videos. So now I'm uploading the programs. So till now almost 10 programs are uploaded. So by this weekend or next weekend, all the record programs will be completed. So our target is to complete at least minimum 50 programs, 50 program videos, and at least some 20 to 30 theory questions should be available by this or next week. Okay, so please watch this channel and like and share so that you will get regular notifications. Okay, so thank you so much, people. Thank you for attending the session. See you. Okay, see you in the next session. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can leave the class. Thank you.